Hello and welcome back to my channel, T-Star Baking. Today's video or tutorial is solely dedicated to this super moist cake. As you can see over here, it has soft crumbs and it's so super moist. So let's move straight into it. Add your eggs. I'll be using 4 eggs for this recipe. And add your sugar next. Give it a whisk until it's super pale and has bubbled in size. So I whisked this for about 7 minutes just to get this texture. So once it's fluffy and it has doubled in size and it's looking like this is a go for you. You'll then add your flour and fold it in gradually so as to not deflate the eggs. You add your vanilla and hot milk with melted butter. I melted both the milk and the butter together. This is the main ingredient in this cake. So this cake is either called hot milk cake or super moist vanilla cake. And please always check the description box below for the written recipes and tips on how to bake. Transfer it to your pan. I am using a baking tray because I want to slice it into 3 parts later. So you can just use a cake pan or anything. Though baking it here will mean it gets baked quicker. I baked mine for 15 minutes, but it could take longer for you if you're not baking in a tray. Transfer it onto a parchment paper to remove the bottom parchment paper and turn it again. Like I said, I'll be cutting this into 3 parts. So that's what I'm doing right now. Trying to measure it out, but as you can see, it's not equal. After that, I added my whipped cream. This is my favorite part of this cake, the whipped cream. I love whipped cream so much. So you can add less or more, just do you. Also, the reason why I am adding my whipped cream as so without layering up the cake is because as you spread your whipped cream onto the cake, it melts. Since it's not in the fridge, so it's gonna melt. And as you rub another tier on top, it could slide. So to prevent that from happening, I just spread my whipped cream before layering it. I hope you understand what I just said. Either way, that is that. So you just neatly spread your whipped cream and start to layer them up. Make sure you layer up your cake gently and accordingly. Like I said, gently and accordingly. Okay, so that's that. I'm just smoothing up the surface of the cake to make it look pretty, or should I say try to make it look pretty. After that, I immediately sprinkled my fried coconut because I love coconut. So I'm trying fried coconuts today. After this, you will cut the edges of your cake. You're going to take it up so as to give your cake a clean finish. Just so it looks professional and pretty, because People really love to eat pretty stuffs, even though it's gonna get smashed in the stomach. So that is that for this cake. I have done everything and it's looking pretty just like I wanted. And voila, your hot milk cake of vanilla, super moist vanilla cake is ready to be served. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below how this recipe worked. If it was good, can you please say it was good? If it wasn't, I doubt it would not be good. But if it wasn't, please also do comment so I can correct your mistake. Okay, that is that. Enjoy the sauce, friends. Bye.